For this wonderful presentation. Now I would like to invite Dr. Praveen Malik from SRC Muzaffarnagar to deliver his lecture on a single trade, multi-locus and multi-trade Jivas using 4 different models for yield trade in graduate.
Thank you very much, sir. I am here to present on topic single, multi-locus and multi-trade Jivas using 4 different models for yield trades in brand. Introduction of wheat. As you all know, wheat is the second most important staple food crops. In India, wheat is grown 30.23 million hectare area with 93.5 metric ton production. These are my objective. These are my objective. Objective 1, evaluation of genotype for different agronomic trait to identify the desirable genotype. Objective 2, correlation among different agronomic traits. Objective 3, association mapping of different agronomic traits using single nucleotide polymorphism (SNP). First objective is materials and method. Germ class. A panel of 2025 diverse wheat gene SWRS for CIMIT was used. Field experiment. 2 replication is simple lattice for 3 years 2016 to 2019. Material and method. These are 10 traits were recorded at research field of CCS University, Merit, DTH, age to heading, age to anthesis, DTM, age to maturity, grain build duration, plant height, pillar number per plant, grain number per spike, biological yield per plot, grain yield per plot, and 1000 grain weight. Statistical analysis. MS Excel, different packages of R and SPSS. Result, descriptive statistics. In this table, descriptive statistics including mean, standard error, range and coefficient of variation for 10 different agronomic 10 different traits are represented. Violin plot frequency distribution. Violin plots showing the frequency distribution of DTH, DTA, DTM and GFD. Yellow shaded region of the violin plot represent the frequency distribution of data. Vertical black bar indicate the range of average value and medium is shown as a white circle showing the lower, medium and upper quartile. These violin plots showing the frequency distribution PS, TNPP. These violin plots showing the frequency distribution of VYPP, GYPP, GNPS, TGW. ANOVA. This slide shows ANOVA result for 10 traits. Highly significant was observed for 7 traits as you can see in the table. Broad sense heritability, high range between 55.65 for pH to 97.69% for DTA for all traits except for DTS 29.21%. Desirable genotypes. This table is showing desirable genotypes for 10 different traits. These genotypes are with high trace value and these are with low trait value. These may be used for the improvement mass. Objective 2. Correlation among different agronomic traits. Correlation of 10 traits in environment 1. This figure is showing pairwise correlation among the 10 different traits. 116 significant correlation combinations were found between different traits, environment 1, environment 2, and environment 3. In environment 1, 2016 to 2017, positive and 20 negative significant correlation combinations were found. Correlation of 10 traits in environment 2. In environment 2, 2017 to 2018, 19 positive and 20 negative significant correlation combinations were found. Correlation of 10 traits in environment 3. In environment 3, 2018 to 2019, 16 positive and 21 negative significant correlation combinations were found. Objective 3. Third objective is association mapping of different agronomic traits using single nucleotide polymorphism SNP. Material and method. Genotypic data. Genotypic data was obtained by CIMET. Only 10,1904 SNP out of 17,937 SNP markers were available. Data for 3,653 markers were missing. Another set of 3,380 markers had rare allele. These markers with the rare alleles had to be excluded from the analysis for statistical reasons. Principal component, kinship matrix and mass, MTA. Principal component analysis for population structure, PCA, and kinship matrix was developed using GAPIT package. The first three PC were used to produce a 3D scatter plot showing distribution of genotype subgroup. Model in R used for GWAS, CMLM, farm CPU, Super, MVLM, and other model is epistatic interaction were identified using the function interaction power in R. Identification of candidate gene. Candidate gene were identified for MTA detect from brown periodic correction. DART sequence were aligned to HEAT IWGSC reference sequence version 1.0 and version 2.1. Genes were related from 200 KB window. Gene ontology was carried out using IWGSC database. In silico, gene expression analysis was performed using Wheat expression browser. MTH for possible use in mass. MTH was selected for one or more the following: highest R square, lowest P value, common for two or more traits, disable identification in all the two environment, detect in earlier stage. Result PCA. This figure representing 3D dimensional scatter plot of 225 SWRS genotype based on the first three principal component: PC1 6.0%, PC2 4.60%, and PC3 3.44%. Each dot represent a genotype. Manhattan plot and QQ plot, यानी कि QQ quantal plot represent figure of Manhattan plot and QQ plot. Dot above the blue line significant MTH and both above red line showing MTH passing from coronary correction. Candidate gene 164 candidate genes were identified for all the 10 traits. 50 important candidate genes were selected on the basis of relevant role. Candidate gene. These are 15 candidate genes represented in this table. In silico expression analysis result of CGS. In silico expression of these selected candidate genes were carried out using wheat expression browser. 14 genes out of 19 selected candidate genes showed differential expression pattern either of regulation and or down regulation. MTH for possible use in mass. A total 17 MTH were selected for possible use in mass. The detail of all these MTH are presented in the table. Identification of important rare allele, variants also carried out. 9 SNPs with rare allele were found to be associated with only their traits G, NPS, PGW, GYP.
फिनिश का
जी सर एक कंक्लूजन आ गया सर रीजा भाई नहीं सर रीजा भाई पब्लिकेशन रीजा भाई टोटल 35 है सर सब पेपर मैं
10 मिनट के लिए 10 स्लाइड होनी चाहिए।
सर मतलब जितना कम कर सका उतना कम
Thank you, Praveen, for this lecture. Now we have